Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over the best way to use your TCL Smart TV without a remote. Whether you lost your remote or it's just not working, don't worry. There are an easy ways to control a TV and still enjoy everything it offers. First, check for physical buttons on your TV. Most models have a power control button located underneath the logo. Along the back panel or underneath the bottom bezel, you can use these to turn the TV on, add in menu home model. Pressing it multiple times lets you navigate basic functions like volume and input switching. For full control, though, your best option is to use a smartphone as a remote. If your TCL TV runs on a Roku TV, download the Roku app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Connect your phone to the same Wi network as your TV. Open the app, tap on device, and select your TV, and you will have access to full virtual remote right on your screen. If your TCL TV uses an Android TV or Google TV, grab the Google TV app. Once connected to the same Wi-Fi, it lets you control everything, from navigation to volume to voice commands. Another option is using a universal remote or connecting devices like a game console or streaming stick that supports HDMI-CEC. With HDMI-CEC enabling, turning on that device can also power up the control TV. And thanks for watching. If this guide helped you to get around your TCL TV without a remote, be sure to like this video, leave your questions or feedback in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. And see you in the next one.